Hello, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use HelloFresh credit. So if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below in the description in order to get a free box of meals with HelloFresh. So once you do so, you're going to land on a page like this, and then you want to click on this top right-hand tab where it says Hello Friends. And then when you scroll down, this is where you're going to see your HelloFresh credit. So it's going to be a toggle menu, and you simply just click on it. And then this is where you're going to see the amount of credit that you received and then the amount of credit that is still pending. And then when you click on what's this, once your friends accept your invitation, your credit will move from pending to received. And this amount is the total credit you've received, not your remaining balance. So you want to make sure you keep an eye out for this number. And now in order to actually use your credits, it's going to be automatically applied to your HelloFresh bill. So you don't have to do anything special. You just have to actually refer people and invite people to use your HelloFresh link. And in order to get your HelloFresh link, you simply just click on the send free box, and you have multiple different ways to actually use HelloFresh. You can either add their email here, or you can send a discount via copy link, Messenger, Facebook, Twitter. There's multiple different ways to actually use HelloFresh. And so that is how you use your HelloFresh credit.